Hello and welcome to this video. It's just a fun little video about me making a sheep. First I take some white and grey clay and mix them together, then make two balls. One becomes the head and the other becomes a long body. I will just check if it fits together before I make legs. When I start working on the legs I make a tube that will be separated into pieces I need. I will have to make sure they don't get too long because I need to have room for the hooves. Now I will make the back legs for the sheep the same way as before, but put it on the side so it looks like it's sitting down. I will check if everything looks good enough with the head on. Then I take a dark grey for the hooves that I make a snake of, and then cut them out to the same size. I make them into small balls so they get the same shape. They get squished down, and to make it look more like a hoof, I cut small triangles out of them. After that we put them on the sheep's arms and legs. Now it looks more like a sheep, just without the wool. Now I'm going to the ears, which is almost the same thing. I just make big balls and then cut them round at the end. By taking my knife and cutting it away. Then I take a stick and smash it in the middle so it folds. Then it just has to go on the sheep's head. For them to fit better, I cut off the extra and take the stick I used before to smooth them more out. So the leg fell off, but I'm gonna glue them back on later. So now for the most tiring part. I'm gonna make all the little balls for the body, but I'm gonna skip it so that I'm done. I'm happy with the sheep's body and how I got the legs back on. Now I'm gonna take some super glue and glue the head on. And I'm also happy how that looks with all the small ball, like it have a head with hair. So after some time I made the tail, which I almost forgot. Which would have been very sad to look at its bum. After that I'm gonna paint its cute face with a dotting tool. And a very small brush for its nose and mouth. I'm also gonna paint the body because I think it's not wide enough, and it's also gonna close all the small holes that's gonna look like its wolf. I really like what the paint did with the body because it looks a lot prettier in my head. Now is the sheep ready to get some beautiful glamour shot of it. Thank you very very much for watching this video, and have some fun with me about making this cute sheep. And have a very good day.